Today's camping recipes I'm sharing with you, these are all recipes that can be cooked on the grill. When we were camping this year, because of the extreme drought, we couldn't have any open flame or any charcoal flame, so we could only use our grill. So here are the recipes that we love. First up, we're going to have grilled chicken Philly cheesesteak sandwiches. All I did for that is I took 2 hoagie buns, sliced them in half lengthwise, lightly buttered them. Then I'm going to use some rotisserie chicken here that I've had in the freezer. Yes, it's still frozen. That doesn't matter. Some provolone cheese, some sliced bell pepper, some pepper, and my husband does not like onions, so I'm just using onion powder to flavor it. And it's super easy. You just let everything kind of cook together on the grill with a lid covering it, and then take the lid off, put the cheese on, put the lid back on, let it melt, and toast these on the side of that. Add a little bit of water in there to steam it. That way it will unthaw a little bit quicker. Is one of our favorites. Is going to be chicken kebabs. So I diced up 2 peppers and an onion, and I just put them here in this Ziploc bag. I'm going to dice up the chicken and put it in a separate Ziploc bag with the marinade. I'm going to be using my daughter's marinade recipe. It's her honey sriracha chicken marinade. So I'm going to use honey, soy sauce, sriracha sauce, rice vinegar, and garlic. And then I'll just keep this in the refrigerator until we're ready to barbecue the kebabs. And then I'll put this, along with the peppers and onions, onto the skewers. First, I'm just going to soak these wooden skewers in water, so it's easier to put the meat on without them getting splinters. And then they also don't catch on fire on the barbecue. Next, I'm making chicken tacos. I start with some more of the frozen rotisserie chicken. When I cut that up for the freezer, some of it I slice and some of it I dice. For the chicken tacos, we like to use the sliced. So I'll add the chicken, my taco seasoning, and a little bit of water, and let that kind of warm up and bubble. And I'll put my taco seasoning recipe down in the description box. Then I add 1 can of refried beans and mix that together well and warm it all the way through. Super easy. I love easy recipes when we're camping because I want to spend time with family and friends and visiting. I don't want to spend a lot of time cooking. So this is one of our favorite recipes. Then we just fill taco shells. Sometimes we use hard, sometimes we use soft, and then serve. Up in the corner, I'll link my homemade tortilla recipe. In the comments, we'd love to know your favorite camping recipe. As always, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.